All right, we are in week 30. We are starting Unit 6. This is the first assignment for Unit 6, the first part. The directions are to watch the Khan Academy video, Indus River Valley Civilization, rewatch the video as you take notes on the handout, and then you're going to go to the travel journal and answer the CER question for the Indus Valley Civilization. Below, I have a link to the video through Khan Academy. For whatever reason, if you can't watch it in Khan Academy, I also have a link for you to watch it on YouTube. You have a link to the handout. Some other things I added here, I added a link to Mohenjo-Daro on Google Maps so that you can see what it looks like for yourself. And then I added a link to the travel journal so it's a little easier for you to get around. So let's first go to the video on Khan Academy. If you see here, there is a transcript that has kind of a timestamp with what he is saying, so you can kind of follow along and read it. Here is the handout. So you're going to write in your name, your cohort, and then we have the learning objective. With the use of the Indus River Valley Civilization video, I will be able to analyze the Indus Valley Civilization to determine its accomplishments. And this is going to be due April 19th. I have added some vocabulary for you as you're watching the video so that you can understand what he's talking about. We have agriculture, which is farming and raising animals to use for food for many people. Here we have the sewage system, which is a system used to get rid of waste like dirty water away from the city. Standardization, making something with rules in mind. An example of that is measurements. So 1 mile is always going to equal 5,280 feet, and 1 mile is always going to equal 63,360 inches. And that's something people can use all around the United States. The directions are to fill out the sections 1 through 3 using the provided video. Here I also have a link to it, again, if you need it. Remember to use complete sentences and use the timestamps to help you find the answer. So I actually added in here the time where the answer is going to come up for the question. So what allowed for the Indus Valley Civilization, Egypt, and Mesopotamia to start? I can go back to the video. I see that it's between the beginning and 26 seconds. Here I have the little transcript, so it kind of helps me read along, and I could read it if I don't like watching the video, or I could rewatch that time in the video. You have, I think, about a good amount of questions. So there's 3 questions for the introduction, another 3 for the geography. Accomplishments is 3, trade only has 1 question, religion 1, politics 1, and the decline 1. And when you're all done, make sure you turn it in so that you can get all of your points. Now, some of the other stuff that's in here that I added in for you, here we have Mohenjo-Daros. So if you click on the picture and you click on the 360 view, you can actually look at the site that they're talking about. Mohenjo-Daro is the name of the city where the Indus Valley Civilization is now. And you could actually see the bricks that they've made and that they laid around. You can walk around, move around, look at some of the sites. And I'm going to be adding links like this for every place that we look at for the travel journal to help you, just kind of see what people are talking about when they are talking about these places. Here we can see there's a Buddhist sculpture. Looks pretty old. There's people around, kids around. It's a pretty fun thing to do. And then once you're done taking all of your notes, you have your travel journal that you can then fill out the CER question. And then this will be due on Friday. So one assignment is the notes, the other assignment is filling out the section in the travel journal. All right, I hope that was helpful. Have a good week and make sure you get all your